Namaste. Today we are going to look into Vimanasthana of Charaka Samhita, the important shloka that needs to be learnt by heart by the students. It could be either clinical purpose or examination purpose or both. Since the entire Vimanasthana is a huge number considering the number of shloka, we'll be dividing it into two sections, chapter number 1 to 4, remaining will be in the next section. As you might have already seen, we have been covering the shloka for the students in two levels. One is must for all students, that is the initial shloka which need to be learned. Second level will be after you complete the level 1. Then you can go back to the level 2 and start learning. And other than these two levels, if you feel any of the shloka are helpful for you in any purpose, for example clinical or examination purpose, definitely you can go ahead with that. These are just some of the guidelines, or you can say general guidelines. So we'll directly move into the topic. Vimanasthana, Adhyaya number 1, Rasa Vimanam. Satmya. Satmyam nama tad yad atmani upashete. Satmyarto hi upashayartah. This is the definition of Satmya. Sanskara. Sanskaro hi gunantaradhana muchyate. Te gunaha toya अग्नि सन्निकर्ष शौच मंथन देश काल वासन भावनादिभिः काल प्रकर्ष भाजनादिभिः च अदीयन्ते. काल कालो हि नित्यगः च आवस्थिकः च. तत्र आवस्थिको विकारमपेक्षते, नित्यगः तु ऋतुसात्म्य अपेक्षः. That was in relation to Adhyaya number 1. Now moving ahead with Adhyaya number 2, Trivida Kukshiya Vimanam. One of the important shloka which usually students neglect, especially from by heart point of view, learning from by heart point of view. This is a very clinical aspect. Matravat ahara lakshana. Kukshehe aprapidanam aharena. Hridayasya anavarodah. Parshvayoho avipatanam. अनति गौरवम उदरस्य. प्रीणनम इंद्रियाणाम. क्षुत् पिपासा उपरमः. स्थान आसन शयन गमन उच्छ्वास प्रश्वास आस्य संकथासु सुखानुवृत्तिः. सायं प्रातः च सुखेन परिणमनम्. बलवर्ण उपचयकरत्वं च इति मात्रावतो लक्षणम् आहारस्य भवति. I am trying to do the sandhi vichcheda then and there so that you can get to know where exactly you need to stop for understanding purpose. Ajirna, manasika karana, one of the important sloga. Matraya api abhyavahritam patyam cha annam na jiryati. Chinta shoka bhayakrodha dukkha shayya prajagaraihi. So this is in Anushtup Chandas. Very few shloka are in Anushtup Chandas in Vimanasthana. So you can even sing it in the same tone as that of Anushtup. Matrayapyabhyavrittam patyam channam na jiryati. Chinta shoka bhayakrodha dukkha shayya prajagarai. Next, Amadosha Chikitsa Sutra. Again, it is in Gadya Rupa. Visuchikayam tu langanam eva agre viriktavat cha anupurvi. आमप्रदोषजानां पुनः विकाराणाम् अपतर्पणेन एव उपरमो भवति. And lastly, the आमाशय from this अध्याय. नाभिस्तनान्तरं जन्तोः आमाशय इति स्मृतः. अशितं खादितं पीतं लीडं च अत्र विपच्यते. आमाशयगतः पाकम् आहारः प्राप्य केवलं पक्वः सर्वाशयं पश्चात् Dhamanibhihi prapadyate. So this is in relation to Amashaya. So if not possible for all 4 lines, first 2 lines at least are important. Nabhistanantaram janto Amashaya iti smrita. Ashitam khaditam pitam Lidam chatra vipachyate. Amashaya gata pakam Ahara prapya kevalam. Pakva sarvashayam paschad Dhamanibhi prapadyate. moving ahead with the next adhyaya, Janapadodvamsaniya Vimanam. So which one is dominant among the four? Vatat jalam, jalat desham, deshat kalam swabhavatah, vidyat dushpariharyatvad, gariyah taram artavit, gariyastaram artavit. So this is in relation to the importance, or you can say the gradation of which is more dominant. So if not possible for the entire shloka, at least first line. Vatat jalam, jalat desham, deshat kalam swabhavatah. That much is also sufficient. Reason is dushpariharyatvat. Now, this is not so important from examination, I mean clinical point of view, but very few times you may get question regarding this in a lengthy answer type. Yuge yuge dharmapadaha kramena anena iyate. Samvatsara shate purne yati samvatsara akshayam. So for that purpose, you need to know from where it is taken from. Now, this is very important. The Moola Karana for all kinds of Janapadodvamsa. Vaivadinam yad vaigunyam utpadyate tasya moolam adharmaha. Tat moolam va asatkarma purvakritam. Tayoho yonihi pragnaparada eva. So the ultimate, the Karana for Janapadodvamsa is pragnaparada. Very important shloka. So now Samhita-Siddhanta, usually asked in certain Viva. So level 2 question. Sheetena ushnakratan rogan shamayanti bishagvidah yetu sheetakrataha rogaha tesham ushnam bishagjitam. Of course, after saying the shloka, nothing much is there to basically explain there. It is just the Viparita Chikitsa. But of course, sometimes asked in the Viva. That's why level 2. Now, Apatarpana. Apatarpana nimittanam vyadinam na antarena puranamasti shantihi. Tata purana nimittanam vyadinam na antarena apatarpanam. Apatarpanam apicha trividam. Langhanam, langhana pachanam, doshavasechanam cha iti. Now, moving ahead with the fourth adhyaya, Trividha Roga Vishesha Vignaniya Vimanam. So as you know, it speaks about the three Karana, Aptopadesha, Pratyakshana, Anubana. So the important ones are the definitions. Tatra Aptopadesho Nama Aptavachanam. Apta hi Avitarka Smriti Vibhaga Vido Nishpriti Upatapa Darshinascha. So I think these are already learned in first year Padartha Vignanam. If you want the details of that, the link is available in description as well, the detailed explanation of all these shloka. Now Pratyaksha. Pratyaksham tu kalu tadyat swayam indriyaihi manasa cha upalabhyate. Anumanam kalu tarko yukti apekshaha. Now this is Aptopadesha Gamya Bhava. Of course, not all will be able to remember this, but if possible, you can go through that in the next level. Rogam, I'll try to split the shloka in proper like terminology with stops. Rogam ekaikam, evam prakopanam, evam yonim, evam uttanam, evam atmanam, evam adhishthanam, evam vedanam, evam sansthanam, evam shabdasparsha rupa rasagandam, evam upadravam, evam vriddhik sthana kshaya samanvitam, evam udarkam, evam atmanam, evam yogam vidyat. So, sorry, there was evam namanam, evam yogam vidyat. Tasmin niyam pratikarartha pravrittihi atava nivrittihi iti upadeshat gnayate. So, this is in relation to Aptopadesha Gamya Bhava. You will get one or two terminology in the Viva OS. They will be asking you. The detailed explanation with good examples are available in another video. Link is in description. So, this is another very lengthy shloka. I am not going to recite this entirely now, but if not possible in the same order, at least when you see the first word, smritim, at least you should be able to tell smaranena pariksheta, moham avignanena pariksheta, dvesham pratishedena pariksheta. So in that way, no need to go as per the order if not possible for you. At least write it in separate, you can say lines. When you know the first line, first word, the second line word should be coming with you. Like Gudalingam Vyadim dash Upashaya Anupashayabhyam Pariksheta. So in that way you can prepare for Anumanagamya Bhava. So that in that way we have finished the first 4 adhyaya from Vimanasthana, and I hope these are very helpful for you from examination and as well as clinical point of view. And these are just for demonstration purpose. Of course, there are multiple n number of shloka which you feel might be helpful other than this also. You can go through that. So this is in relation to the part first of Vimanasthana. In the next part, we'll be covering the other 4 chapters of Vimanasthana. Until next time, thank you.